So to sum up the functioning of Fibonacci series search using Fibonacci series. So to sum up the working of Fibonacci search based on Fibonacci series, we compute the Fibonacci series, then we consider the largest element, smallest element which is larger than size of the elements. We compute index where with every iteration where index is minimum of offset plus fm2 or n and n minus 1. Whichever is smaller, we consider that. Now, after considering this index, if the element is found at index, then we are going to return the index. If the element is greater than the index, element at index, E is the array, let us say. At E of index, if the number that we have found is smaller than x, then x is definitely on the right hand side of the element index. So what we do? We compute this by moving one position. So fm1 becomes fm1, fm2 becomes fm1, and subtraction of fm1 fm1 becomes fm2. This is how we compute, and we update our offset value as index, and we continue searching. So again, if we find index, we go on. Else, if the number that we found at index is larger than x, that means the x must be present on the left. Now when we assume that the number is present on the left, we shift to the left by 2, not by 1. So here your fm2 becomes fm, and then fm1 and fm2. So we are skipping this value, and then we are shifting to the left. We are not updating the offset. Again we iterate, we compute the index as minimum of offset and n minus 1 offset that was in the previous iteration, and we go ahead like this till your fm is greater than 1. So the loop may terminate if we have found the index or fm has become less than or equal to 1. Now if we are at an index, last index where fm has become 1, we may again terminate the loop if fm is 1. So after coming out, we have to check if we have found the element. So we'll check if fm is 1 and offset plus 1 is the element that we have found. If so, then we're going to return it. Otherwise, we're going to return minus 1 or minus 1, saying that the element is not present in the array, because minus 1 does not represent any index as it is out of bound. So this is how Fibonacci series can be summed up.